The day ended spectacularly. I'm talking vintage WasabiCars car sporting. And there's so much to see here. It's actually incredible. This guy is a legend. He's got this stash. Oh, jeez, what? Holy snapping. And there's a whole thing with the coins. But the day started very differently. I mean, shitely. Well, I had my doubts I was going to be able to show you anything of interest, but I've come to Autopolis for the Time Attack event. And to be honest, the event is continuing. It's happening, but it's probably not going to really kick off for another hour and a bit. And to be honest, I'd rather like spend time elsewhere. And then if I stayed, the sort of footage that I'd be able to get is going to be of limited interest and quality, because I don't have like mega bloody zoom lenses, and you know, the weather's going to keep me at a distance. So that's disappointing. But where we're at now is sort of near the track, and I've covered cars from this place previously, heaps actually. I mean, if you go through the old archives, so many cars from this place. The same 286s over there, that's in a video. That's a tidy one. That's good to see. So there is some nice cars here, but that Miata, what an odd video this is. That's really cool. Now that's a Honda today, and the back's a bit different. That boot folds down that way, and then some shenanigans there, people. Another beat. Yeah, people, this is clearly not my best video. And see, here's the thing, I came here to shoot a video that would give me time to have a bit of a weekend, or spend time on these Super Duck videos. So hasn't really panned out as I had hoped. Oh yeah, I'm not getting out of my car. Life's too short. Life is too short. Okay, let's have a bit of a look. Okay, there you go, people. Bit of sadness. So yeah, as I said, I've been here heaps of times. Generally the weather is like this. So there you go, people. I'm afraid that could be the video this Saturday, but don't judge me harshly, people. I'm doing my best. Gasoline? Oh. Oh, this is incredible, people. After a miserable day at Autopolis, I've come across this place, and there's so much to see here. It's actually incredible. That is amazing. Sitting in a container, looking amazing. This is an engine. He said it was a GTO. It's got the early tail lights on the car. It's got the single overhead cam engine. Twin carburetors. It's not a 2TG. Mitsubishi engine, of course. Saturn? I could be mistaken, but that's 4G32. And Cosmo over there. Just amazing. Unbelievable. Okay, next we're going to have a look at the Celica. Early one, of course, GT 2000 grade. Fuel tank is a little panel there, as you may well know. Watanabe wheels, of course. And the dude restored the car. And it's just shenanigans here, people. Let's check it out. Now, it's an RA25, so okay, 18RG engine, double overhead cam, of course, twin Weber carburetors. I see a Kame Adi sticker. I don't know what exactly. I thought they were like Nissan specialists, but like I'm that's a guess. But absolutely fantastic looking. There you go. So the dude's stash is just incredible. And I guess we'll have a quick look under here. It's got a Momo sports steering wheel. Of course, it's got the a manual transmission and black seats. And that's I guess you're looking at a selfie there, unfortunately, but that's pretty darn cool, people. Let's see what else we can find in this place. Okay, well, I'm just going to go to the back. Well, damn it. Mazda Cosmo. Everyone's going to ask if it's the 3-rotor. It's not by the looks of it. It does have that body kit on, though, which I'm a massive fan on. Now, I've done plenty of videos of cars like this, so I'm not going to dwell on that. But check it out if you wish. Now, this one here is what I saw driving along that road over there. And that was why I did a U-turn and dropped in. Now let's just check the tail lights, because that's going to inform us as to the year, and that tells me it's an early one. And it's a great colour, and it's got those pinstripes on it. A quick look, there's a Trueno there, Isuzu 117 there, an RX-7 over there. Now let's just get another look at this GTO. Missing that centerpiece of the grille, we've got the now wait a sec, I've got to double check the year and stuff. Don't mind me, they are indeed early headlight buckets and consistent with the early taillights, and sorry for the wind. This is WasabiCars, people. We got rust, disc brakes, rust, bubbles of rust. Incredible. Oh, I just want to, now that would suggest that we're looking at a yellow car from the factory. This has had quite a few colours. We're looking at blue, of course, but certainly yellow under there. That's fascinating. This one's a goner, absolute goner. And I do like these cars. People can call them like a Celica wannabe, or look an American influence, and there's no question about that. And I've just got to say, in my opinion, everyone's car's always inspired or influenced other designs. You know what I mean? It's just completely normal, if you ask me. And then over here, RX-7. I wonder if someone can tell me if that's a Zenki or a Corky by the tail lights. Oh wow! I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that to have a blank. What the heck? Have you ever seen anything like that before? That's weird. Isuzu 117. Let's just check the tail lights, because that's going to give me the best indication of which series it is. Yeah, I got no idea, people. I'm sure there's ways to check, but there were 3 series. Early ones were hand built. This one I got no idea. Was there a headlight? Well, there was a headlight, hey. Yeah, not really sure what's going on there. This bonnet is from the Sprinter Trueno. Trust me, it totally says Trueno there. Oh, jeez. This is crazy. Interior is a maroon colour. Twin round gauges there. Winders or buttons for the windows? I can't see indications of either, people. But doily seat covers, and I'm not a massive fan of this body shape, to be honest. I know it has its fans, and fair enough. It's just not my cup of tea. This one here's a bit of a quirky one too, but yeah, Sprinter Trueno as mentioned. It's got a double overhead cam bloody head in there. I don't know, but I don't know who makes that one. Is that a Yamaha head? White body initially. Oh, okay, there you go. 2TGEU head cover. Amazing. Anyway, I think we're going to move on to the next adventure, people. We'll see what else he's got, but I'm having fun. Oh, jeez, what? Holy snapping, what? People. Remember those coins in the photo album I showed you earlier? They are all from this Camry. When he bought it, rusty as heck. The guy restored it, ground up, unbelievable. And the Fairlady as well. I saw photos of both these cars. Restorations were fully documented. The guys bought them back from the brink. Holy snap, Sanyo inlet manifold, triple Solix carburetors. Bloody nice. Gun metal. That's an unusual colour. Oh, okay, update tail. And the wheels. What ton of there? Now the Yonmedi. Wheels are not Watanabe, but I'll just leave it at that. Looking amazing, people. There's that one. And the GT-R, R32 GT-R. I'm definitely a fan of these. Though in Australia, the ones that stuck in my mind were like the maroon ones. And of course the Bathurst winning ones, which was a sad time for me, but that's a beautiful car. This is incredible. Again, after the disappointment of today at Autopolis to this, it's incredible.